Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about how can we sort the custom classes. So in this example we are going with a student class. So student class we have already created and it is having four fields: name, email, marks and grade. So name is of type string, email is of string, marks is of int and grade is also of string. We have created one parameterized constructor, a respective setter getters and two string method. Okay, and this is the application loader class from where we are going to call the main method, like for triggering the student service IMPL. So let's see here. So after sorting it, it is going to return us the list of students. So list of students get sorted list. Let's say based on marks we are doing for this one, and this is going to take the input as a list of student for which we are going to do the sorting. List of student sorted list is equal to, or instead of this we can directly say it is single line code, so we simply going to say return. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to use the Java 8. So we will first create the stream, and in stream we have sorted method. So sorted takes the comparator, comparating. We have the student class and we want to sort based on the marks, so we'll say get marks, and then we will collect all those using the collection.toList. Now this is the single line which is going to give me the sorted student list based on the marks, and that list we are going to print it over here. So let's say for student of student, then okay, get, what is the method name, get sorted list based on the this is present inside the student service IMPL, and this is not the appropriate method, so let me do it in this way. List of student based on, let's say, marks is equal to this one. Now as we know that this is going to take the parameter, so let us create list of, okay, not list, let us list of students is equal to, let us pass this argument over here, so that, and then based on marks we are going to print it over here. Okay, then we'll say student dot toString to get the value printed. To print this we'll say sout and then print it. Okay, now we have to use the parameterized constructor which we have into the student, this one, to create the object of a student. So say is equal to arrays dot toList, okay, sorry, arrays dot as a list, and we are going to pass here, create the object here. Let's say name is Shiva. Then the second argument is email. So let's say email is abc@gmail.com, or simply say shiva@gmail.com. Then we have marks and then grade. Let's say marks are 89 and grade is A plus. I'm copying this data and we will change the value. Instead of Shiva, we'll say Akash. This will also be Akash. 69. It will be B. Here we will say Aniket. We'll say it as a 94 A plus as it is, and then here we'll say Shekhar. Here we'll say, let's say 35. Here we'll say C grade. Okay. So now this is a student lead that we are passing, and then based on the marks we have sorted it and we are printing it. So as per the expectation, this will be the first this will be the first record, this will be the second, this will be the third, and this will be the fourth record we should get. Now let's run this then and see what we are getting. Okay, so we are getting the descending order is the default order, that's why we are getting the records into the reverse order. So what we will do is, here where we have sorted it, we will simply write here another reversed. So just a minute. Sorted the value based on the marks and reversed. So now we will get the values 94, 89, 69 and 35. So for that we will say here S out before sorting for student of students, S out student, and then after sorting. So we have run this. Now you can see that before sorting it is Shiva, the whatever the order we have inserted the values, and later on it is changing into the required one. Okay, now let's say if I don't want it to sort based on the email, or let's say based on the name. So for that purpose what we'll do, we'll create another method. It will also return as the list of get sorted list based on name. Okay, it will also take the list of student list, and we are going to use the same thing, returning, creating a stream, then using the sorted method, using the comparator, comparing. Now we are going to use the student class get name, and then we are going to reverse it, and then we are going to collect it to list. Now using this method over here, list which is student based on name is equal to strapy dot this, and input is, let's say, students. Now using the for each student based on name is out of student dot to string. Okay. Okay, so for time being I'm commenting out this one so that we can see the values based on the name. So it will be see Aniket Shiva, Aniket Shikhar. Okay, let's sort this and see. It is the reverse order, that's why we are getting Shiva at the first, Shikhar at the second, Aniket, and it's totally depend on whether you wanted to sort on ascending or descending. By default it does the ascending order. If you want it as a descending, they just remove reversed, so you will get it in the ascending order. If you want it in descending, you have to add the reversed. You can see this as a output. Now same way we can do for the others as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like the video.